Hello, collecting from A to Z here again. This is a video to show you some of the things that sold overnight. And I was excited to see that I sold these little pewter pieces for the Monopoly game that was the Mustang 35th anniversary. And those sold within 3 hours of listing. Previous haul video of what's in the trunk, I was showing those. So check out that video. And I also sold this really interesting mug here. There's a guy that I noticed on certain t-shirts that I was looking at. His name is Guy Harvey. And I saw this mug that had his signature on it. And this is part of the wildlife collection. And it was 1995, I believe. And that sold to a conservancy group, which I believe is in Florida. Now, one of my goals, I'm not saying I hit it every time, but one of my goals when I buy mugs or beer steins or beer glasses or pottery is to not pay more than $1 per item. So if I can get a good deal, discount, or something like that, then it makes it worthwhile. I also showed a couple of days ago in my first What's in the Trunk video this Texas A&M Aggie Corps of Cadets mug, and it's got that character thumbing his nose at the end of the line, at the beginning of the line there. Aggies. That sold within a day, or with less than a day, and it sold to someone who the address is going to Texas A&M University. So hopefully somebody in the Corps, or a gift for someone in the Corps. And then, let me move this. I sold these two. That is a open sugar bowl and creamer stoneware. This is made by Noritake, and the model is called Fanfare. Those probably took about 2 months to sell. I think I took a best offer that was just $1 less than what I was asking for. So those are overnight sales. We'll get those listed. Get those packed up and shipped. And then, if you can see over on the left here, let me move this Monopoly money from that Mustang. These are some things that I had pulled out recently that I'll make a little video of these in a few minutes before I get to listing those. Okay, the packaging is all done. The mug with the sharks on it, the Aggie mug, the creamer and sugar bowl, and 1 ounce for the pewter pieces. Now, one of the things to watch out for is when you package things before you put the shipping labels, is how do you tell what's in which box? Well, on this one, I just wrote the word shark so I could differentiate it from this other box when I do the shipping labels, which I'm getting ready to do right now. Let's weigh these up. Alright, shipping is ready to go. A couple of ounces for those pewter first class. The shark mug first class. I cut a few inches off the flaps inside to get that down. that mug, that Aggie mug, weighed almost 2.5 pounds. It's very heavy, but since it's nearby, the priority mail was affordable. And then these Noritake stoneware, I sent that FedEx Smart Post to save on some of that shipping because I took a best offer on those. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and we'll get some more things listed and more things posted, and we'll do some more trunk videos as soon as I get back to the thrift store.